Oh, balita ka, pumasa ka sa civil service exam ah. Congratulations ha. I'm really happy for you, lalo na if you've been part of our Learn with Laika sessions or if you watched any of the videos that I made over the years na hopefully nakatulong sa preparation mo. Again, congratulations. I hope that you remember this moment as something na, okay, I did well and I succeeded at. But the battle is just beginning, sabihin na natin. If you're not yet part of the government service, minsan challenging na maghanap ng opportunity, minsan matagal yung kailangan mong hintayin para ma-interview o mag-exam. Hang in there, okay? Kailangan lang talaga ng tiyaga, tsaka sipag, okay? And I hope you do well. And more than that, I hope that you do good. When people tell me na pumasa sila, sometimes they ask me kung may gusto ba akong kainin, saan ko gusto ko kumain, anong gusto na kong gift or anything in return na pwede na ibigay. And what I keep telling people is this, you don't need to pay me back, you can pay it forward. You can do it by serving the people, serving them well, loving our country the way it needs to be loved. Sana hindi kayo nakasimangot kapag may nagtatanong sa government agency kung sa kayo nagtatrabaho. Sana you remember that in the same way that it took a village to help you get to this point. Again, all of the child members and supporters, lahat ng mga nag-aambag sa ginagawa ko, lahat ng members ng team ko, lahat ng brands na nagtitiwala sa akin so I can earn, so I can buy equipment, so I can pay for everything I need to pay for, so I can create free content. Lahat sila nagtulong-tulong to help get you where you are. And please remember that in the same way you are part of a community and there will be times that you can also give back. So yun. Congratulations, God bless, and balitaan mo ako kapag regular ka na or na-promote ka. Okay?